How to delete a group on WhatsApp. If you no longer use a certain group on WhatsApp and you don't want it to exist anymore, you can delete it in a few steps. The process of deleting a WhatsApp group is a bit more specific compared to other applications because we'll first need to remove all members from that group, and only then will we be able to delete the group. Let me show you how. Open the WhatsApp app and find the group you want to delete. My group is called Friends. Then click on the group name. Scroll down and find the section where the group members are listed. As you can see, my group has 3 members. The first step in deleting the group is to individually remove group members. Long press on a contact to bring up the menu. Select the Remove option. Repeat the process until you have removed all group members. In the end, only the group admin will remain. After you have done that, click on Exit Group. Press Exit once again. After a few seconds, you will see that the group is now empty. An option to delete group will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. If you don't want to delete the media receipt in the group from your phone's gallery, click on the check mark. I will choose to delete the media from the group. Click on Delete Group once again. And the group is deleted. It is no longer among my chats. Other members will receive notifications that they are no longer in the group. I hope this video was helpful. Click on the subscribe button and regularly follow our upcoming content.